Hello, everyone. My name is Lindsay Lober. I am one of the transfer counselors here at San Diego State University. Today, we are going to be going over the steps to complete the Cal State application, and we will be applying as a first-time freshman. The Cal State application is your college application for all 23 CSU campuses that make up the California State University system. So in order to get started with your application, you're going to visit calstate.edu/apply, where you should see this website pop up and you will be able to select a term. So for our sakes, we're going to be selecting fall 2024 and you click apply. And this should bring you to the login page. So you're going to want to create an account if you have never done that before. And basically just fill out the information that is accurate and reflects yourself. So enter your name in this section here. And then for the email, we always suggest that you use an email that you have access to and that you will be able to check frequently, as this is the email we are going to use for our communication regarding any updates to your application or your admission status. And then you will also be able to enter a phone number. Again, make sure to enter a phone number that you will be able to access. For your username and password, I recommend writing this down somewhere so that you do not lose it, so that you are able to log in and out of your application if necessary. And just remember to follow the guidelines for the password as well. You can agree to the terms and conditions, and then the final part for this section is to indicate whether or not you are located in the European Union. Once you create your account, it will bring you to the extended profile. So in this section, you will be able to indicate your degree goal. So for most first-time freshmen, you're going to be selecting first bachelor's degree. And please note that not all CSU campuses offer a second bachelor's degree. So for San Diego State specifically, you are not able to complete a second bachelor's degree. So for our circumstances, we're going to select first bachelor's. And then you're going to select whichever option best describes your current status. So it's going to ask if you are a graduating high school senior, if you are transferring from a California community college with an AAT or AST, or transferring without any associate's degree. So for a freshman applicant, you're going to select graduating high school senior with or without college coursework. If you have taken any college coursework at a community college while you were in high school, you will be able to select yes, and that will give you the option of inputting those college courses in your coursework section of your application. If not, you can just select no if you have not taken any college coursework while you were in high school. For the military status, obviously you will indicate whichever is most applicable to you. And then if you are an international applicant, if you are on an F1 visa to study in California, you will select yes. For our purposes, we're going to select no today. And then finally, indicate which state you regard as your permanent home. So for me, I'm going to select California, and then you can save those changes. The next window that should populate is where you can choose your programs. So you are able to select more than one program at different campuses if that is what you are interested in. And I recommend when you're on this page using the filters to your advantage. So, or the search bar as well. So for me, I'm just going to type San Diego. And you should see that all of our San Diego programs populate in alphabetical order. So I'm just going to select this first program here, and you do that by adding this plus sign here on the left side, and then you should see a check mark and the whole line would be bolded when you select that program. And keep in mind, if you decide while you're applying that you want to add more programs at different campuses later on, you can go back in and add those programs at a later time. So if you click continue, you should be able to review all of your program selections at all the different campuses that you indicated. If you continue to your application, that's going to bring you to where you will begin entering all of your coursework.